What if I told you that just wearing a t-shirt could start a national firestorm? One sentence, "There are only two genders" printed on fabric, has now sparked protests, divided classrooms, and yes, it's reached the U.S. Supreme Court. Crazy, right? But what's even crazier is what the court decided. Or actually, refused to decide. Is this a win for free speech or a blow to inclusivity? Why is everyone, from high school students to national politicians, talking about it? Let's break it down. Because this isn't just a story. It's a warning, a precedent, and a moment America won't forget. Let's go back to Middleborough, Massachusetts. Nichols Middle School. 7th grader, Liam Morrison, walks into school wearing a black shirt. It reads, "There are only two genders." Now, Liam says he wasn't trying to offend anyone. He was just expressing his belief. But the school staff, they didn't see it that way. Within hours, Liam was pulled out of class, told to change or remove the shirt. He refused, so they sent him home. His family fought back, filing a lawsuit. They argued this wasn't hate speech. It was a right. The right to express a personal opinion. And so, the First Amendment took center stage. This wasn't just another school dress code issue. No. This became a national flashpoint. Free speech advocates rallied behind Liam. They referenced the landmark 1969 case, Tinker v. Des Moines, where the court ruled students don't lose their rights at the school gate, unless their speech causes disruption. But LGBTQ+ groups saw it differently. To them, the shirt wasn't just a belief. It was a message that could harm trans and non-binary students. They asked, should speech be allowed if it makes classmates feel unsafe, unseen, or unprotected? Now, two powerful ideas were clashing, speech versus safety. And America was watching. The case reached federal court. Then, the U.S. Supreme Court. And on May 27, 2025, the justices made their move. Or didn't. They declined to hear the case. That's right, they passed. Which means the lower court's ruling, supporting the school, stands. But there's no national verdict. In other words, schools now have the power to decide what's disruptive or discriminatory. And the Supreme Court? They're not ready to touch this cultural grenade, at least not yet. So, was this decision a blow to freedom or a line drawn to protect kids? That's the question. And you? What do you think? Would you let your child wear that shirt? Would you feel safe sending them to a school where someone else does? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want honest, fact-check breakdowns of what's really happening in America, subscribe. Because this is just the beginning.